Hello and welcome back to the Microsoft Publisher application course. In today's video we will continue with the different parts of the Publisher window, which are the components of the Microsoft Publisher window, and we will pull up one of our publication that we already opened. Let's bring it back. Good. So we click inside. So in this video we will start by looking at the scroll bars. One of them is the vertical scroll bar, which is what you see here. So the vertical scroll bar is made up of a scroll up arrow, a vertical scroll button, and a scroll down arrow. And inside here is the bar where you have those three things. So with the scroll down arrow, I can move down my page. So you see the page moving, and depending on how far I go, see, I can do that till the end, and I can go up as well within the page. So I'm still on my page 1 of my publication, or I can just simply use the button here, click it, hold the mouse. So you click, you hold the mouse, and you can drag up and down, as much as you want. So that's about the vertical scroll bar. The other one is the horizontal scroll bar. So similar to the vertical one, it has a left scroll arrow, and also a right scroll arrow, and then a horizontal scroll button in between. And in the same way, I can go to the right of my document. That depends on how big my publication page is covering the screen of the window. And I can go to the left as well by clicking the left button. Or I can use the left arrow, I meant to say, or I can use the button here to go left and right. So that's about the horizontal and the vertical scroll bar. The next item we will talk about is the previous page and the next page buttons. So here you see below there is the previous page and the next page buttons. So because I'm now in page 1, I will use the next page to go to the next page. So if I click the next page button, I go to page 2, and if I click again, I go to page 3, and you can see that here. And I can use the previous page button to go up again, back to page 2 and back to page 1. Or another way to do it is you simply go to your navigation pane and just go straight and click each page you want to go to. Okay, so that's about the previous and the next page buttons. And the last item we want to talk about in this video is the zoom tool, or the buttons for the zoom. So for the zoom, this is where it is here. So it goes from the minus sign until the zoom level. So here the minus is called the zoom out, and here's the zoom button, here's the zoom in, and here's the zoom level. Now if you use the zoom in or the zoom or the zoom the zoom in or the zoom out, you will see that the level here also changes, but this is to show you how big or small your view of your page here will be. So currently we're at 100. Let's say the zoom out will minimize the view. So if I click, see, it decreases and I cannot see much of what I'm typing or in the page, but I can see a lot more in the environment. And if I want to see what is in my publication page better, I can use the zoom in, and I keep clicking, and then the level is increasing, until I can stop where I want to. And I can do that freely with the zoom. instead of just using this and this, I can use this to do both. So I can click on this, hold my mouse. So when you click and hold, then you can go towards the zoom out, decrease, or you go towards the zoom in to increase. And let's come back to 100. Okay, and leave it. So you release your mouse button. And basically that is how you use the zoom tool here. Another thing is you can go straight to your zoom level. Let's see, if you click on it, it doesn't work. In Microsoft Word and other applications, you can directly click on the zoom level and you should get a box that you can type the level or percentage you want, but apparently in Publisher this does not work that way. Okay, so, and this brings us to the end of this video. We will continue with the other parts in the next video. Thank you.